It began so softly in the hours before dawn, half asleep. I strained to hear, quietly like cat paws on a metal roof, or house slippered feet drawing near. Then suddenly the volume intensifies, becomes a roar in the night. And I know I'm not dreaming, the rains have come, the sound of ranchers' delight. And how many long months have we waited for rain, watching our stock tanks go dry, seeing dust devils dance over bare dusty pastures where grass should be 8 inches high, where grass should be 8 inches high. Hauling water out by truck to our cattle, hoping the old feed will last till the rains finally come, transforming this land to what it's been in the past. For water is the measure of life in the West, more precious than diamonds or gold. And unlike the land and the cattle we own, rain can't be bought or sold. Rain can't be bought or sold. A lightning flash lights the room like the day, then the echo of thunder rolls, and the rhythm of the rain, so long awaited, soothes our hearts and our souls. For with it comes hope that the dry years will end, and the stock tanks once more